that lady's taking pictures of wildflowers growing. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah, they're very nice. So we've got some poppies. I've never seen these before in any of the gardens that I've visited. So this is different. Some lovely, lovely poppies. Poppies. A small willow tree. And we've got some wild flower. Really nice. These are lovely. They attract bees. That's why they're important. So the last stop for today, we're going to look at the herb garden. So I'm going to go back in this area. Oh, there are birds hiding in the bushes. Oh dear. So this is a nice area to walk the dog. Come for a stroll. And then where the pond is, back that side where the flowers is for like just chilling. Oh wow. They have let's see what we can find. I like this. This is very nice. Beautiful. I love it. Lavenders. I love the smell of lavender. We've got some sage here as well. Let's take a look from here. I was expecting more though. Normally they've got lots more herbs and stuff, but this year it's not well maintained. Not at all. Not well maintained. Right, so we've got places people can sit over that side. We've got the pond over here where the birds are, and then you've got the wild area over there, and then this is the herb garden. As I said, I'm a bit disappointed with the herb garden this year because normally it's fantastic. Okay, so that's it for our herb garden visit. We've got some beautiful flowers here. Lovely. That one. Beautiful. Nice rose garden. So with these parks, if you notice from the ones that I've been doing, they've got flowers garden. They usually have a pond. and lots of green spaces where people can go and just relax. So you got different color flowers. You've got a pigeon over there. This is a small one, and yeah, lots of flowers. Can you hear the birds? It's really nice and calming in these gardens. Beautiful. Got different flowers. I like this one. It's lovely. Beautiful. Got grasses. Really nice. Love it. Love the wildlife. Love the plants. Love the scenery. It's pretty. This one is so beautiful. It's really nice and white. Some beautiful flowers. This one is well kept. Lovely, lovely flowers. And then that's what it looks like from my end. Then we've got some lovely lush lavenders over there. The bees love the lavenders. Wow. I like that they do the roses in different colors though. Different batches. You've got yellows, you've got your peach, you've got white, you've got red. Different colors. Lovely. This is the peach. And the lovely yellows. If you're into roses, if you're into plants, you'll absolutely love this video. I hope you're enjoying it as I am. Beautiful. Oh, the last time I came, we didn't have these grasses, you know. The grasses form an edge for the rose garden. That's new. And here's a close-up of the rosemary. Can we see any insects flying around? Let's go in search if we can find a bumblebee. I can see bees, but I don't see any bumblebee. Let's have a look. A bumblebee. Nah. Don't see any so far. There's a herb garden as well, so I'll go by the herb garden. We may find some. We may be lucky to see some bumblebee today. Look at these grass. It's really nice. I love it. I love the way they've integrated the grass with the flowers. There is one! There is our bumblebee today. Can you see? Bumblebee. Yeah, he's enjoying it. Wow. Go a bit closer. We didn't have to walk far to get one. That is good. That is great. Oh, there's another one over here. And then we got our normal busy bees here. Normal bees. So the flowers attract our lovely, lovely birds and bees. She's great. Great. Oh, that is sage. That here. Got some sage. Lovely. So Southchurch Park is beautiful today. Absolutely lovely. So this is the herb garden. No, this is a part of it. This is the rose garden surrounded by some herbs, and I'll take you down to the herb garden soon. Yeah, beautiful. I like this tree. It's very lovely. It's growing nicely actually. Pine. On the day it's nice and cool, so if the birds want to go and chill, they can. So this is so peaceful. Just to sit here and watch the water. Watch the water and the wind and the birds as they fly by. So I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna go for a walk along this pond. Okay. Walking along this pond. It's a beautiful day. There must be some fish out there because I can see movement in the water. That means they're moving. So let's go and check it out. Not far from here, we've got the sea front. I have taken some videos at the seafront before, but not today. Today is just for a walk in the park. Oh, the flowers haven't come up yet in that garden. Every year we got like a design feature in that little area there. I'll come back and see what it's like. So let's walk along and we may find something interesting. You never know what we will find. Ah, where did I see the bubbles? I'm forever blowing bubbles, pretty bubbles in the air. I'm forever blowing bubbles, pretty bubbles in the air. You must know by now that I like to sing. And then I sing things that comes to mind. If there's like a word, then I'll find a song with that word in. Oh, there is a bubble. I don't know what it is though, because that same bubble was at another spot. So I don't know what it is. It might be the irrigation system to keep the water flowing. I think that's what it is. Can you see it bubbling? Yeah. Right. Let us keep moving. So from this end, that's what the pond looks like, and there's a duck over there. It's coming along. Ooh, they're doing work over here. That's not very nice. Okay, let's see if we can find some ducks. Okay. I'm forever blowing bubbles. Oh, there is it. There is it, bubbles again. So it's definitely the irrigation system. Some system in there. I don't know what it is. That makes the bubbles in the water. This is not very filled. You would normally have more water in. They need more water in the pond. There's another bubble section down there as well. Probably just keeps the water moving. I think that's what it's for. Keep it moving, keeping it moving. Some ducks. They're so happy. Really nice and peaceful. And they're happy. They're happy playing around in the water. It's just a joy to see them. Okay. Wow, they are very good divers, these ducks. Really good divers. Wow. Look.
Oh, it's not here, it's back on the other side. Let's have a look at that. Oh, yeah. Hang on, Eddie, are you ever right?
Mind you don't run these people over.
What is making you a bit unhappy? What's making you unhappy? Have I had my lunch? There's a little park.
They're very good entertainers, these little ducks. Really good. I enjoy that. Did you enjoy that? Did you enjoy their display? I hope you did. They are amazing. There's so much to see in nature, but you have to go in search of it and you know, catch the moments. Catch the moments. Catch the moment. So you've got to be observant and have time to observe what's going on in nature. And that is my quest. That's my little project, doing this YouTube channel. So I hope that you will stay with me and you will share the videos, like and give a comment on what you are seeing. The water is so green. I'm sure there are fish there, but we can't see. We can't see it. So this is the view from this viewing deck. We've got a viewing deck. This is the view. It's quite nice. Sometimes people have boats, those miniature boats, and they race them along here, and that's really nice to see as well. So over there you've got the cricket area, and where people play football as well. So there are lots to see and do here in this park.
the phone to move. Every time I touched it, it fell over.
And I thought, no, he's taking a round over. I'll freeze him and take a round over. They were putting the big cabin for I'm talking about cabin because what he was annoyed at, you know the things underneath, you know the little puddles last year, that being filled, so I put them in a drawer. So he went out and bought another huge one. So a little bit and the flick of it is just in a different place. So you can't put the new one over the old one. No, so what they did, so they made the old ones and the new ones, and then they put an egg, and then just
Which one, darling?
the famous ones, and all of those ones there, they're cold.
Next up,
No, we don't get those ones because they're doves, they're not horrible species. First, and then did it with that machine. You know, the well, if it does oh, there's John, Fred, Velma, Scooby. Lots of different names.
So this is the other end of the pond. There are several ducks and swans in this area. Beautiful. There's a large swan on that side. Look, there's a white one and there's some ash colored one as well. So they've got a little island where they can hide from us. They can hide from children because children love to play with them. So they've got an area where they can lay their eggs as well. I think that's quite nice. Wow, that's beautiful. The birds are just flying around and having a great time. This is beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed today's video as we explored Southchurch Park. I hope that you will like, share and subscribe to this channel as I go around and show you all that my local area has to offer. If you like this video, please give it a like, add a comment and share. Okay? Walk good. Have a fantastic day.